Hello everyone. Welcome to episode 3 of Behind the Pipelines with Vinod. And I'm a pre-sales architect at IT Methods. And in this series, let's dig into real world problems on how modern cloud native solutions are helping organizations solve them. Today, let's talk about developer productivity, a hot topic in every enterprise. As we all know, developers today are under immense pressure to build, test, and ship quickly. But complexity, compliance, risks are getting in the way. In the past, I worked with an enterprise that needed a consistent infrastructure as a code templates for different personas. It can be ML engineers or data analytics team member or even front-end developers. They needed to spin up environments independently and quickly for testing and deploying their application. However, managing and maintaining those templates across laptops, different personas, and even projects became a huge bottleneck. That's where a cloud development environment or CDE helps solve this by giving developers a centralized, secure workspace in the cloud. No more drifting configurations or outdated templates. Everything is updated, consistent, and governed. Now let's talk about another problem which every IT team faces currently: local device failure. One financial institution shared their concern that developers were storing secure source code on their laptops. Imagine a single hardware failure could wipe out hours or even days of work. That's where a CDE really shines. Since development happens in the cloud, code is never trapped on a single device. It's backed up, versioned, and accessible anywhere and everywhere at any time. So you reduce the risk of data loss and gain control over how code is stored, accessed, and secured. So what CDE really? Think of it as a browser accessible cloud hosted IDE and dev environment. Developers log in and everything they need, their tools, their dependencies, extensions, and code, all the tool stack is ready. No more environment drift. No more it works on my machine failures. And from security and compliance standpoint, everything is in your control. No unmanaged secrets, no local copies. You get full audit trails. Now, if you're thinking about best in class tools in this space, one name stands out: Coder. Coder enables teams to run secure, customizable development environment on your cloud of choice. It can be AWS, Azure, or hybrid clouds, or even on-prem. It separates the dev environment from the local device, improving speed, security, and manageability. Developers get instant access to pre-configured environments, while platform teams retain governance, cost control, and visibility. On top of that, the rise of agentic AI agents that help write code, suggest improvements, raise PRs, and more. Coder is embracing tight integrations to embed these capabilities directly into your development workflow. That means developers can work alongside intelligent assistants without ever leaving the secure CD. It helps in boosting productivity and reducing cognitive load. But here's the thing: Coder is self hosted. It gives you the engine, the flexibility, and the power to run secure development environments. But it's up to the enterprises to set up, scale, secure, and manage it all. That's where IT methods comes in. So we don't just host Coder, we enhance it. We wrap it in enterprise grade security, automated scaling, backup, monitoring, compliance, and multi-cloud support. Whether you're running an AWS or Azure or hybrid environment, we ensure Coder operates as a fully managed resilient platform, ready for production from day one. With IT methods, you're not just adopting a CDE, you're adopting a platform that delivers speed, control, and AI augmented developer productivity. without the operational burden. So now that we have talked through the challenges and how CDEs are changing the game, especially with tools like Coder, let me actually show you what these tools looks like in action. We'll jump into a quick demo of Coder where you'll see how developers can spin up secure cloud-hosted workspaces in just few clicks. Whether you are a machine learning engineer needing GPU access or a front-end developer working on Node or React, Coder gives you consistent, ready-to-go environment without ever having to install anything locally. So let's take a look. 2-minute walkthrough showing how fast and seamless it is to spin up cloud-based development workspace. We'll start with the Coder workspace screen. As you see, there is a workspace which is currently running. Workspaces in Coder are built off templates which define the language, runtime, resources. It can be CPU, RAM, and GPU, or even the dev tools. So you can create templates for different roles. It can be a back-end engineer or a front-end or ML engineers and DevOps, so on. So developers can just pick and go. Each workspace runs in secure environment and can be paused, restarted, and deleted. So you only pay for what you use. So if you see, I have a workspace. It's a Kubernetes-based workspace, and I'm going to spin up, as you said earlier. You can start it, and instantly the workspace is getting spin up based on Terraform, as you see. And quickly you see the option of stopping the workspace, restarting, and also you can schedule auto stop, which is a great feature for cost savings. Let's see about templates um, of Coder. So print templates are kind of predefined templates where you can spin up Python plus Jupyter environments for machine learning engineers, node-based React setup for front end, or a full stack Java plus Docker. If you see, there are a lot of templates available for Docker containers, AWS modules, Azure, Google Cloud, basically multi-cloud, and also Kubernetes-based workspace, which I just showed you. And also, you can also start a new starter templates. So it's fully customizable. One more option is you can get started by uploading an existing template and configure it. So that's how powerful Coder is, quickly spinning up and ensuring everything is available for the developer. So no laptop configuration, no installation headaches, and most importantly, no local source code storage. It's all browser based, it's fast, secure, and built for the modern teams work. So that's the glimpse into how a development environment like Coder can reshape the way your teams build software securely, consistently, and with AI at their side. And when Coder is delivered as a part of iTmethods one platform, it's not just a tool, it becomes a fully managed enterprise ready solution. So we handle the infrastructure, compliance, monitoring, backup, and scaling. So your developers can focus on delivering value, not fighting environments. Thanks for tuning in into the Behind the Pipelines with Vinod. And if you're curious about how this can work for a team or want to explore real world adoption stories, we would love to connect. Until next time, build fast, build smart, and stay secure. Thank you.